Good morning, my dear students. I, B.K. Misra, welcome you all in the G8th Mathematics online class. My dear, today is the second chapter of your relation, which is a linear equation in one variable. What is the general form of linear equation in one variable? General form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b. My dear, general form you can say standard, S-T-A-N-D-E-R. Standard form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b, where a and b are any integers. A and B are any integers and x is a variable. You know what is here variable? I am taking example. Suppose that like 2x plus 5. This is a linear form of linear equation in one variable. You can say example of linear equation in one variable. Here is a 2 and 5. These are constant and x is a variable. Variable, it means it has its value varies, not fixed, coming different, that is called variable. Variable like A, B, C, D, not having fixed numerical value. That is called variable. But constant, T-A-N-T, having fixed numerical value. F-I-X-E-D, fixed numerical value. Here, not having fixed numerical value is known as variable, and this is a constant having fixed numerical value. Through this example, look here, 2x plus 5 is a standard form, example of linear equation in one variable. Here 2 and 5 are constant, but x is a variable. It is linear equation in one variable because here is a one variable x. Suppose that if here 2x plus 3y plus 6, is this a linear equation in one variable? Certainly your answer will be no. Why? You are looking here, x and y are two variables, and your topic is a linear equation in one variable. Okay? Once, my dear, this is the example. How to, one thing, linear equation in one variable you know very well, but here is a expression, an algebraic expression, and algebraic expression you can say this is algebraic expression. An algebraic expression in which constant and variable are combined with mathematical operation like plus, you can say minus, divide, multiply. Such type of expression is known as an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression in which constant and variable are combined with mathematical symbol, like plus, minus, into, or divide. This is an algebraic expression. You can say this is an algebraic expression. Yeah, you can say linear equation. It is the example of linear equation in one variable. But if once again I want to show you later, 1 minute, I'm going to erase. Okay now? Yes, my dear, what I want to tell you, look here, an algebraic expression is a equality sign of expression. I want to tell that. Like, suppose 3x minus 5 is equal 22. Okay. Here, what are you looking? This is an algebraic expression. This is sign of equality. That side. This side is a left hand side and this side is a RHS, right hand side. My dear, yeah, this is the one thing in linear equation in one variable. Yeah, you can say an algebraic expression as an equality sign. We have two sides, LHS and RHS. And in this way, we can find the value of the given variable by transposing method. Okay, I'm going to solve. Look here, 3x is equal, here is a minus, in this side will be plus. My dear, side change, you have to change the sign. If side changes, you have to change the sign. 22 plus 5. Look here, 3x plus 27. Now we have to change the sign of 3. Here it is in the form of multiplication. In the right side it will be divide. Therefore, x equal 27 by 3. Cancel. 9. Value of x is a 9. This is the transposing method. Another way you can solve it by balancing method. Look here, if 3x minus 5 is equal to 22, same way we have to solve by doing balance in the both side, in the LHS or RHS side, or in this way we can find the value of x. Look here, 3x minus 5. Here is minus 5, we can give a plus 5. Insert 5 in this side also. Now what remains here? This will cancel. 3x. How much is here? 27. Now we have to remove 3. How it will be possible? By dividing. Look here. 3x by 3 is equal 27 by 3. By adding, by subtracting, by multiplying, we can bring equality, sign of equality in the both side of the equation. In the both side of the equation. A cut. Oh, sorry. We can cancel here. Therefore, value of x is a 9. So, linear equation in one variable. Once I am going to recap. General form is ax plus b. This is a standard STAN BARD standard form. You know, ax plus b, where a and b are any integer, you can say constant, and x is a variable. This is the general form. Various example. Suppose here is a 3y plus 5, in which it is linear equation in one variable y. Y in variable. 2z plus 6. Here is a linear equation, z in variable. And what is the value? Certainly, if it is a linear equation in one variable, certainly it has 1 0. Why 1 0? So one value comes. Value of x is 9 here. Always a linear equation in one variable had 1 0. It means one value. Okay? Later, you know what is constant, what is variable. What is constant? Having fixed numerical value. Variable having no fixed numerical value, it means its value varies in different situations, in the different equation. Okay? What is an algebraic expression? You have to write. You are senior student and you have to mention, you have to write notes of the lesson. What is an algebraic expression? What is a variable? What is constant? Who will write? I, no, you. An algebraic expression in which variable and constant are combined with the mathematical symbol like plus, minus. Okay? You can do very well. I know you all are capable to complete. Yes. Now I am giving you some questions. Solve the equations. Okay? Solve the equation. Equation 7x minus 9 is equal what you will do? 60. Can you? Yes. Y by 5 is equal 20. 4 into x minus y is equal 4x such type of question. Okay? Yes. More question you have to solve. Suppose here is a 2x minus 5 into 2 is equal, question number D. Here is a 3x minus 9. have to find the value of x. E number 3x minus 5 by 4 is equal 4x minus 9 by 6. By cross multiplication you can do it, you know. These are questions. F. What is an algebraic expression? G. What is linear equation in one variable? What is the GENERAL general form of linear equation in one variable? Okay, you have to write how many zeros will be the linear equation in one variable. Certainly 1. Okay, my dear, in the next video I will move ahead. It's your prime duty to try to solve all sums and send in the group. It is my honest request to you. Okay? Thank you. Best of luck.